Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for a flexible work-from-home job that can bring in a steady stream of income? Look no further than data entry work. With technology advancements and the rise of remote work, there are now more data entry jobs available than ever before. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find these jobs, what qualifications you need, and how to make a sustainable income from the comfort of your own home. As an expert in affiliate marketing, I've got all the tips and tricks you need to kickstart your data entry career. So, buckle up and get ready to learn everything you need to know about data entry work from home jobs. Section 1. What is data entry work? Data entry work is the process of entering or updating data into a computer system. This can include entering information such as customer details, survey responses, financial records, and more. These jobs can be found across various industries, such as healthcare, finance, and logistics. With many companies shifting to digital systems, the demand for data entry workers has skyrocketed. Section 2. Qualifications for data entry work. One of the advantages of data entry work is that you don't need a formal degree to get started. However, most employers will require that you have good typing skills, attention to detail, and proficiency in computer programs such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. In some cases, you may need specific industry-related knowledge or experience. For example, if you're working for a healthcare company, you may need to have knowledge of medical terminology. If you're looking for data entry work, there are plenty of options available online. Online job boards such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are great places to start. These platforms allow you to create a profile and search for jobs that match your skills and experience. For example, you could create a profile on Upwork and apply for data entry projects such as transcribing audio files, entering data into spreadsheets, or formatting documents. Another option is to look for remote job postings on sites like Indeed or Glassdoor. You can search for data entry or remote data entry and filter by location, pay, or other criteria. This can be a great way to find full-time or part-time work with established companies. Networking can also be a highly effective way to find data entry work. Joining online communities such as LinkedIn groups or Facebook groups that are related to your industry can be a great way to connect with potential employers. You can share your skills and experience, ask for advice, and even find job leads. For example, you could join a group for virtual assistants or data entry professionals and participate in discussions or post your availability. Finally, you can reach out to staffing agencies or recruitment firms that specialize in remote work. These companies can help match you with employers who are looking for data entry workers with your specific skills and experience. Some examples of staffing agencies that specialize in remote work include Remote.co and FlexJobs. Section 4. Tips for succeeding in data entry work. To succeed in data entry work, you need to be detail-oriented and able to work independently. Make sure you have a quiet workspace that's free from distractions, and invest in a comfortable chair and keyboard to avoid physical strain. It's also essential to manage your time effectively and meet deadlines. One way to increase your chances of success is to focus on a specific niche or industry. For example, if you have experience in healthcare, you could focus on finding data entry jobs in that industry. This can help you become an expert in your field and make it easier to find high-paying jobs. Data entry work isn't just a way to earn some extra cash. It can be a highly lucrative and flexible career option, allowing you to work from the comfort of your own home. The key to success is building your skills and networking to find the job that suits your interests and qualifications. And as an expert in affiliate marketing, I'm confident that the insights and tips I've shared in this video will help you get started on the right track. So, keep learning and keep growing, and don't forget to follow and like for even more tips and tricks on working from home. With dedication and hard work, you can achieve success in the exciting world of data entry work.